In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely and permanently uninstall or remove apps and software from your Windows 11 computer. Whether you're trying to free up storage space, remove unwanted programs, or fix issues caused by a problematic app, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Windows 11 computer and make sure the app or software you want to uninstall is not currently running. If it's open, go ahead and close it completely so the removal process goes smoothly. Once that's done, click on the search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. From here, click on Programs and then select Uninstall a program. Next, you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Click on the app or software you want to remove, then either right-click on it or click the Uninstall option at the top. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to uninstall and remove apps or software from Windows 11 easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.